welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all, today working on this lawnmower again. Yeah, let me see this camera, baby. I gotta talk to the people for a minute. Okay, y'all. The last time we was working on this thing, we replaced the blades, and somebody got on the lawnmower, and I told y'all we were gonna have to replace this stuff. And look what he did. Broke the whole thing off there.
You did that?
No, we don't know. But anyway, y'all, we about to replace the blade. Well, what blades did come with, but we replaced the spindles and all these pulleys. What that packet over here, and we ordered a whole little setup. Came with a belt. And I got this online. All of this was like, I think it was like $180 something. That was with the tax because it was free shipping. But all the pulleys, y'all can see, spindles, everything we hopefully need. And it also came with some more blades right here, but I'm not gonna put those on because these over here, they still good since we didn't even really get a chance to drive the lawnmower like that. All right, y'all, we're gonna start on this spindle pulley first. This is a size 22.
A 20.
22.
They can press on.
Go to the next
You
one.
need to pull it to press them off. They look like they can press them in.
I don't think so. It ain't that serious now. I hope not. For a lawnmower.
You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised when they come to a pulley.
There go my pulley.
There go your egg on her. See how they move?
They just probably stuck on, been on us so long. Okay, I can just take off the screw right there. That one just probably tap off. Hold on, y'all.
My dog see the cat. Why must I chase the cat?
So, this one just...
Being stubborn.
Yeah.
If you ain't got a hammer, use the other pulley. Work every time.
And these are size, the thing that holds the spindle on the screw, they're size 13. Might gotta break those by hand, huh? We forgot to put some, what that is, WD-40.
It's been a little bit, but hey.
And then it stops, huh?
That's hard out here.
Only one came out of there. Well, I guess we're gonna have to put some muscle on it, but let me go and see if I can get these out too. Oh, they got all these different sizes on here.
And do?
Keep changing up my size and stuff.
I don't think I hope y'all just even know where pulley go well. You gotta put your finger on there. There you go.
I'm gonna remember, I'm not gonna take them all the way off yet. I ain't gonna take them all the way off, you know, I'm gonna
Yes,
let
she
them
did. Look
stay.
at it. She got them talking all the way off.
No, I know what these is, the ones for the spindle. It's 3 of those, they all look the same, but these are definitely gotta pay attention to, but now I gotta.
So get over here.
They breaking off, y'all. When I try to look, they snapping right off. I can snap off too. Told you. They just breaking off. Oh well.
Woman halt.
We got some new screws for them. Man, that broke too.
I'm literally holding it.
Make sure y'all kit come with new screws, cause they breaking like this.
Si, put that back. I got you. I'm definitely on you. She don't need my help. She Lady Hawk. She gonna feel it tonight. You know. Si, come here.
You gonna massage me?
Oh, yeah, I definitely do that. Hawk.
And why is the blade still on the bottom?
She don't care.
Well, I'm gonna flip it. We gotta flip it over there. So that one feel like it's gonna come off. I'm gonna put the gun back on that one. Let's see. Let me try the gun.
You gonna lose some rest on. You gonna try the gun.
Oh, they ain't that hard. Did I try them before already? This how they go.
Is the gun on? Is the gun all the way up? Cause there's levels to that in the front. Hit the B button. What is on?
3.
It's up there.
Luckily they ain't breaking, but
That nigga barely in there. You need to take these.
nah, we just do these some. Alright. Get all these pieces up.
Before you flip it over, you gonna put these 3 blades on that you already took off?
Mm-hmm. That's why I'm getting all these screws. And if y'all want to know how to take this deck off, check out my other video. I'll put the link in the description for the blade replacement and to show you how to take off the deck.
And did.
And wheel. And it's a screw that's gotta be stuck up here. It's stuck up through there. Hit that on like that right there. I will. Okay. These pulleys right here actually look the same. I mean, they're the same size.
Come outside.
I don't think that one gonna work though, cause it's so big. That's my thing right there.
One of that probably the reason the belt dropping off. He must have changed.
You say so? Yeah, cause the belt kept popping off. Oh, we got that down there. Let's see. No.
Nope.
That screw ain't long enough.
Gotta go back with the other one.
Can't put it that way. I don't know if I had a longer screw.
It must not go forward because that's the screw forward.
Well, we have to put this old one back on, y'all. I gotta see. Is this pulley got a number on here? I need to know what pulley. Anybody know what pulley this is or the part number? Leave it in the comments, huh?
And wheel.
And did. Alright, let me tighten them up. You see how they quiet? Can't even hear that one. Hey, I need that one. Need another one of them. They're gonna be can't even hear those pulleys, y'all. You see that?
And it's spinning.
But with this one, she got to get replaced. But they didn't give us this.
I gotta go in there and leave a comment.
I'm so tempted to try it. To just put a longer bolt in there.
Then she had to take the deck back off.
And the new spindles, y'all, came with the screws in it, so we're gonna use that a little shorter than the other ones, though. We'll screw these out.
said, look, you see the red light on there? You gotta hit the B.
Anybody going and stop it? Yeah, that's what we need.
Yeah, you just did that one on your own. And we like, do they line up?
Yeah.
Talk to the people.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, y'all don't forget to put this on here and line it back up. We got to bend it back out because this one got messed up when that piece broke. So.
But the,
hopefully I can see when we slide them back up under there.
You ready?
Get them lined up.
so y'all give us a minute. Let us slide it back up under there and we're gonna go to work. I say on me. Man, it's out here
Get your screw started by hand. So, that's all in my way. Cause you got the camera right here, so I'm like, let me know.
She can't help herself, y'all. She got it on there.
You just snuggling them in, you know.
Hold the camera.
They going in hard, I don't know why.
Producer. I wonder if you blow dirt down there now. Smell like frog poop on here.
You know what frog poop smell like?
No,
How you know it smell like frog poop?
just give it a guess.
Yeah, they be saying crazy stuff, y'all.
Oh, just because you ain't got training wheels, you good now. Huh?
Yeah. I found out, huh? That's about it. Yeah.
Oh, y'all gonna ever see?
You ready? Ready?
Yeah. That's all I do for them.
And it's got grease fittings right here too, y'all. You see that grease fitting? Put grease in there for your bearings.
You trying to get it him like it ain't.
No, I'm making sure that it was you seen it. That it was
That's
on.
probably why they left them in there, because they lines up with the pulleys.
Yeah, so it won't sit too far down. That's what I was thinking.
And was it?
Yeah. Ready?
Snowball!
Hey, don't be throwing dirt, kid.
Can't be. The washer gotta go on top of it. Cause look at that. Something going on.
Strange situation right now.
You gotta loosen back off.
All right, guys, this is what we decided to do. It already had one washer on here, but this washer by itself is not allowing us to tighten it up or to get tight. So what we're gonna do, we took a washer off the old one, we're gonna put it on top of there. Then we're gonna screw it down and see if that allows us to get all the way tight so the pulley won't be rocking. Okay, so it's on good. Still lined up between us.
Still lined up.
Okay, so guys, that's what I gotta do on all these. Put this washer on top.
Now we're gonna flip it over. See what that bottom top is like.
Dang.
Cause I cleaned it. There you go.
Ooh, a spider. All right, y'all. About to put the blades on. Make sure you pay attention. The down position. Dang, like he got a lot of play up in there.
Spin it. No touch.
Alright. Yeah.
Now you spin that one and make sure they ain't touching all of them. Ready?
You holding it.
Be right back.
Do the other side. Okay. Y'all see the work I just did? Like it ain't nothing.
I'm gonna put that new belt on though.
It's up to you. It's your prerogative. You ready to put it back up today, huh?
Yeah. Ain't that but 4 pins? 4 pins. Let's flip it back over, babe, so we can wrap that belt back on there and get ready to put it.
Yep.
All right, y'all, we gotta put this belt on here.
Start at the ends, wrap it around, lock it, bring that out, come here, lock it, come here, right there, and then that goes to the motor.
Yeah. If you guys don't know where your belt rod is, it's right back there.
You know where your belt rod is? Call your auntie.
You're about to put the covers back on and put the deck back on. Look at him trying to put some air in the tire, y'all. You working on it, Si? You working on it? Okay.
Give me the 10. She gonna be using the gun all day.
All right, y'all, we about to get ready to put this thing back. Cause we gotta get ready to till this ground so we can plant us a garden.
This ain't stopping the tilter, but
Hey, this make y'all work a lot easier.
okay.
It gonna reach.
I don't know. All right, she got it running. Okay. She got it working. Everything good, people. Everything is good in the hood. I'm gonna go park it though. And we out of here. You dig?